Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format your Samsung device. Formatting your phone is a powerful step that wipes all your personal data and settings, essentially making it like new. This can be incredibly helpful for resolving persistent software issues, or if you are preparing to sell or give away your device. Before we dive into the steps, remember that backing up your important data is absolutely crucial to avoid losing anything valuable. Before initiating any format, backing up your data is the most critical step. You have several excellent options to choose from. Samsung Cloud can store your device settings, call logs, and even your home screen layout. For a broader backup, Google Drive is fantastic for saving your photos, videos, contacts, and application data. Alternatively, Samsung Smart Switch lets you transfer everything to a computer or an external hard drive, ensuring your precious memories and files are safe. The most common way to format your Samsung device is through the Settings menu. Start by opening your phone settings, then scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, select Reset, and you will see an option for Factory Data Reset. Carefully review the information presented, as this action will erase all data. You will then need to enter your security PIN or password, and potentially your Samsung account password to confirm the reset. If your device is unresponsive, or you've forgotten your screen lock, a hard reset using recovery mode is your solution. First, power off your phone completely, which might require holding the volume down and power buttons for 10 seconds. Then, connect your device to a powered-on computer using a USB-C data cable. Now, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together. Release them when the Samsung logo appears, and you will enter recovery mode. Use the volume keys to navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset, and confirm with the power button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.